The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Tillman County in southwestern Oklahoma, central Wilbarger County in northern Texas, until 2:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:38 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Vernon, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Vernon, Frederick, Davidson, Hollister, and Oklaunion. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.